Model, 2017 Volkswagen Crafter CR35 2.0 TDI 109 PS medium wheelbase, our no VAT bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 130877. MOT, the 12th of March 2025. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 109 PS EU6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, Enginge does not start and want turnover, engine has seized. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 2 former keepers, parking sensors, cruise control, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.